Panda deh.
Can you send me the video?
Red panda.
Can. Let's take a picture, another one. Cái này.
Cái này.
Oh.
Red panda.
Take a picture there, take a picture. Come on.
Go kuya. Smile. Good morning, Chiang Mai. Yeah, Zaira.
There's also this one here.
Yeah.
Bali Basketball Court.
Smile.
Hello, Kuya.
Day 2 of our gala, guys, and pinupuntahan namin ang isa sa magandang flower farm dito sa Chiang Mai. So dahil mag-New Year, so mayroon silang countdown dito. Yeah, smile. Kuya, Zaira, smile. Zaira. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak nila dito, guys, lalo na December, so malamig ang panahon, so nagbo-bloom lalo ang mga bulaklak nila. So meron silang iba't ibang klase ng mga bulaklak. Kanindot sa mga flowers.
And it.
Smile. Zara. Isa sa mga view na makikita nyo sa flower farm nila, guys. Ang laki kasi ng area. So, ang dami-daming mapuntahan. Ang dami makikita. Pero dahil pagod na kami, hindi namin napuntahan lahat. Ang sarap mag-emote-emote dito guys kasi ang gaganda ng mga flowers nila. Bloom na bloom yung mga bulaklak. Kaya emote na emote ang peg. Wow! Here, follow me, Zai. Here. Wow, look at me.
And then you put the camera on the flower. Did I put over here? Did I put my hand over here?
Wow, then smile. Look at mommy. So after namin sa flower farm, umakyat kami sa Tribe Village dito sa Chiang Mai. Puro siya paakyat guys. Ang dinadaanan namin is puro talaga paakyat. So ito yon. Medyo nakakatakot pero ang saya naman. Naaliw naman kami. Rubik panas. Rubik panas. Rubik. Mura og bilar ba?
Ini tinaig manok.
It's like bilar. Oh, mura jud.
Tinaig manok.
There's a store vehicle ahead.
It's like bilar.
Slowly.
Tinai og manok. Slowly.
I'll video.
Yeah, I'm taking video too. Kuya. Nami karon sa Doi Poi Village, Tribe Village. Ito yung parang museum nila. Nandito yung mga ginagamit nila before, yung mga gamit nila before.
This is the old days. Mga gamit sa unang
Naami. Sa una na ko, we have like this.
for making
With the uniform, matching uniform. Ito mga damit namin guys, nirerent lang din namin to. Sayang din naman kasi yung mahabang biyahe namin, susulitin na namin guys. So, nagre-rent kami ng costume. Para while nagpasyal, so naka-costume kami. Experience din siya sa mga bata kasi first time nila magpunta dito sa Chiang Mai. Kami, 14 years ago, nakapunta na kami dito ni Ayan. Mga single pa kami nung time na yun. Ang hari. Dumaan din kami sa Doi Sutep Mountain. So, dito makikita mo ang buong Chiang Mai. Dale, smile. Kapoy na. Kailangan mo pang umakyat din sa hagdan bago mo puntahan yung pinaka-itaas and makikita mo ang buong Chiang Mai. Nandito na kami sa taas, guys. Ano lagi na? Dahil nagutom kami, so dinner muna before atin ang countdown. Sa Santa Fe kami nag-dinner dito sa Chiang Mai Central. So, ang sasarap ng food. This is for Zaira. For Kuya Dory, fish with cheese na anak na. Daddy only mushroom soup. Daddy, look. Smile. Kuya, smile. Smile. Sarah. Smile. Smile. Nila. Papa niabot ang order. And my order. Dory fish. New Year, you will watch countdown.
Hello, we'll watch fireworks here.
Yeah.
We come here today. And Robot, can you send me the fireworks?
Okay.
If my
So, bumalik kami dito, guys. Kasi dito kami magka-countdown. Pero libre na to. Wala na siyang entrance. Hindi katulad nung morning na nagpunta kami. May entrance pa siya. Pero mura lang naman kasi may work permit kami dalawa ni Ayan. So, mura lang yung entrance fee namin. And this time, makikita na naman yung mga lights nila. So, ang gaganda ng mga lightings nila dito, guys. Parang andito ka sa fairy tale land.
รอนานกันไหมครับไม่นานเลยนะโอเคได้ผมวันนี้ผมมีเตรียมโชว์มาเยอะมากๆเลยนะครับผมเพื่อเป็นการส่งท้ายปีเก่าแล้วก็รับปีใหม่กับทุกคนนะครับผมยังไงวันนี้เราสนุกพร้อมกันนะครับผมเต้นร้องวันนี้เห็นฝั่งนี้เป็นคนแบบว่า
Nice, kasi nak no. No.
เป็นผมว่าขนาดนั้นแต่ว่ายังไงเรามาเอ็นจอยด้วยกันนะครับผมทุกคนได้แล้ว
Oh, sure. Come here nighttime.
Yeah.
There's a bee again.
But it's not
บ
really.
นดอยครับผมสวัสดีครับห้องนี้ด้วยแบบนี้เขาไม่เรียกว่าดอยนะครับผมแบบนี้เขาเรียกว่าเป็นเนินประมาณนี้นะครับผมเราขึ้นดอยกันไปจริงๆแล้วไงอันนี้ไม่นับว่าดอยเราเป็นเนินเราเป็นเนินคุณพร้อมไหมเราพร้อมไปต่อไหมครับ
And mayroon din silang hinahandang free concert, guys. So, while waiting sa fireworks, maaaliw ka din manood ng concert.
Give to mommy na lang ko. Sila.
Wow.
Kuya, go.
Happy New Year! It's like we're in the Daddy, come on, Dad.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Nia!